Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today working on a 2012 Kawasaki Prairie 360 with a K-EBC engine braking system on it. As you can see, the rope on the recoil is all rotted out, so we're going to take the recoil off, put a new rope on it. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, there's the recoil. There's 4 10mm bolts to hold that on. Bottom bolt here, right, is plastic. And as you can see, these two Phillips screws are all stripped out. So instead of fighting with them, this piece here is plastic. We're just going to use this little die grinder and just make a little indentation here so we can get that bolt out of there. If we could take the side panel off, we could, but sometimes on these foilers, they get all, threads get all rusty on them, and they try taking them screws out and they strip the head. So we're just gonna put a little, just like that. That's all you gotta do. That way we can get that 10mm bolt out of there. That way you're not fighting trying to take them screws out for a project like this. And that just pops right off there. So we'll take this over the table and put a new rope in it. Okay. Go and tears apart. When I took it off, I noticed part of the plastic's gone here. I ordered a new housing for this, but it's not going to be here for a week, and they need this foiler tomorrow to round up cattle. So I'm going to go ahead and put a new rope and everything in it and just cover that up with a piece of black tape so water and stuff don't get in there, water and dirt. Then when they're done rounding up cattle, they'll bring it back and I'll put the new housing on it. But for now, we'll get this going, because if the battle when they're out rounding up the cattle and the batter happens to go dead and it dies, you're going to need to back it to start it, because the cows ain't going to stop and wait for them to fix their stuff. So we'll get it fixed up for them right now. They can go do their thing with the cows. Yeah, that rope's could break it anytime. Spring looks good and everything. Yeah, be careful so we don't lose these little springs in here. Grab me a new rope. And he asked if I could put a bigger rope grip on there, because it's hard for him to grab this. So we'll put a bigger rope grip on there so it's easier for him to start. And we use a snowmobile rope grip on there. That's good for people with getting arthritis and stuff in their hands. It's a nice big handle to grip. We got our new rope here. Take these ends up a little bit so they don't come apart on us. Just like that. Okay, we got the spring in there so it's caught on there. They pull out the little springs. A little lip on there. Grab it and pull it out. It says dog leg. Goes in there and it goes on the outside of the dog leg. There's a little bit of lubricant down there. See how the dog legs come out when you turn it? That's what you want. Go ahead and tighten it up. Try that. See if it tighten the spring up some more. Line it up one more revolution. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna clean this off. Get all that dirt and stuff on there. And I'm just gonna temporarily fix it right now. Just like I said, they're gonna be out rounding up cattle tomorrow. You don't want dirt or mud or water getting in that. I'll find some good tape to put on that to seal it up good. This ain't a permanent fix, this is temporarily. There's really good black tape here. That way water and stuff won't get in there. When I ordered that housing today, it's gonna be here in about 5 to 7 days. Now we can go ahead and put it back on the machine. Goes on there like that. Okay, especially the ones on the bottom. You don't want them bolts dropping down in there where you're putting these back on. It's a little trick. A little trick I learned here. Just use like a little piece of plastic from a plastic bag or something. Put it around the head of the nut. And put that on there. And it stays in there. Just grab that piece of plastic. Put it on the next one. Stick it in there and won't fall out on you. It's a nice little trick anyway. Comes in handy. And there we go. And the key on. Just like that. So I hope this video helps you out. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. And you guys have a good afternoon.